Hi, this is Heidi from Garden Crossings, and it is a gorgeous day today in the greenhouse. It is the beginning of February, and the sun is actually out, and everything is so much better when the sun is out. Even just looking in the greenhouse, doing these videos and stuff, just adding that little bit of sunshine really adds a lot of just happiness, I guess, to what's going on here. So it's a big week at the greenhouse, a lot of planting going on. But there's a lot of other things going on too. So I thought what I'd do is just take a walk through the greenhouse and stop and talk to some of the employees and just see what's going on and what they're doing today.
Hi, I'm Carter and I'm in our new greenhouse today. I am working on our electrical and putting in lights, fans, plugs, and other stuff to get the greenhouse working. Hi guys, this is Logan from Garden Crossings. So basically what I've been doing today is I've been hanging some of the sprinkler line. Basically what you can see is that's the black drops that come down. And then also I've been doing a little bit of the dripper line as well. That's all these white things you can see here. So, and then yeah, I just got a little bit more to go here today, and then I'll just be finishing up. So basically what the dripper line is used for is here we hang all of our baskets. And then obviously all the sprinkler line is going to water everything that sits on our floors here at the facility.
Hi, I'm Lucy. We're working on the planting line today, and we're planting proven winners perennials.
Hi, my name is Alyssa. I'm one of the assistant growers at Garden Crossings, and we just got our shipment of proven winner annuals in for the year. And so now I'm just going through and checking that all the plants are there and that they're okay to be planted.
Hi, my name is Dawn, and I'm the Garden Center manager. And today we are planting up our hanging baskets for the garden center. We have 10-inch, 12-inch, and we also are doing some 10-inch pots. So what we did is we got in all of these baby plants. They're called plugs. And so what I'm doing is going through, we have created all of our arrangements months ago. So I'm looking at our sheets to see which plants go in which container, picking those out, and then when I get what I need, I am putting them into buckets by the amount that I need for each basket. So I'm putting a combination together for the girls so that they can then plant those into the pots where they need to go. So like here we have a New Guinea impatient. So this is going to be a basket with one by itself. So I'm just making sure that all of these are in where they need to go. So then the girls will then come and pick up the hangers, the plants, and all the tags, and then they'll head on over to the planting table.
Hi, I'm Cindy. This is Sarah. We're planting up the 12-inch hanging baskets right now for the garden center. Dawn just prepped the plants for us. And so right now we're putting 6 plants in each 12-inch basket. We've got what's commonly called as creeping Jenny. It'll kind of flow over the sides. And then we have an infinity cherry red. And these pots will be for part shade to shade areas. They're going to look fantastic when they get big.
Hi, my name's Ben, and I'm the head grower here at Garden Crossings. Today they're planting a bunch of our new perennials that just came in, and right now I'm watering all the plugs.
Hi, my name is Jen. I'm the inventory manager here at Garden Crossings, and I'm just heading out to the greenhouse to mark the plants that we have just planted up with these numbered stakes that will help us in finding them later on when we go to ship them.
Hi, I am Pat, and we are working on the sticker machine today. We're doing one of the clematis, and as it comes through, Sadie is putting the pots on, and I am putting them in the trays.
Hi, my name's Sadie, and today is my first day at Garden Crossings, and I am enjoying my time here on the sticker machine.
Hi, I'm Jess, and I am sending trays through the flat filler so that they can get filled up with soil before the plants get put in them.
Hi, I'm Lynn, and I work on all of the social media, and I edit all of the videos that Heidi creates. My favorite thing is probably hearing all the new words that Heidi makes up during her videos.
Thank you for watching the day in the life here at Garden Crossings. I would like to mention that we are now hiring for the spring and summer season. So if any of these things that you saw in today's video look to be of interest to you, this is just a small glimpse of what we do, and this is part of the early season with just the planting. The shipping is going to be coming up here in the next couple months or so. So if you'd like to talk more, feel free to send me an email at heidi@gardencrossings.com. I'd love to talk to you about more opportunities that we have here at Garden Crossings. Or in the description below, I'll put a link to our application. Please feel free to fill that out and email it back to me. Thank you for watching and have a great day.